Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Wow, it was actually green today, even though the entire market was bloody red. It went to a high of 1.45 after hours. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at a 9-month daily chart. So I did mention this a few days ago in a lot of my videos that it was trying to hit the support, that was going to hit the support, break the support, which was around 123, I believe that was beginning of January, and broke that and hit a low of 113 today before bouncing back up. We can see that back in February, there was a rally up to $7, and then back in January as well couldn't break the $7. And like I said, this all happened in the beginning of the month, so we might be able to see a small rally coming up. But again, be very cautious because this stock can just consolidate for as long as it wants to. We can see the volume is still very high. There was an article that came out March 9th, and it's titled Bed Bath & Beyond says it now has about $360 million in proceeds from most unusual February equity offering. That deal, which was described by KeyBank Capital Markets analysts, said it was one of the most unusual financing we have witnessed in 20 plus years of falling consumer and retail companies. So the troubled household goods retailer sold convertible preferred stock and the warrants to raise an initial $225 million and said it could raise up to an additional $800 million. The deal came a month after the company warned it may have to file for bankruptcy as its finances and performance continued to deteriorate. Proceeds of the deals have been used to repay outstanding revolving loans. So you can see down here, it says, since closing our equity financing last month, we have engaged with suppliers to improve our inventory positioning, and we have continued to optimize our bricks and mortar footprint through store closure to align with customer preference, Chief Executive Sue said in the release. The company has now entered into a waiver and amendment to its credit agreements. So hopefully the retail investors can come and save Bed Bath & Beyond just like they did with GameStop and AMC. Those shorted stocks, and guess what? BBBY is number one with the largest increase of current short interest of 126.78%. We have FLC with 103%. And where is AMC here? I don't even see AMC and I don't see GameStop. You can see that Bed Bath & Beyond is number one, which creates a potential short squeeze. Back to a chart. Last year, there was a squeeze all the way to $30. I'm hoping we can see that again. Take a look at these options. People are still buying options. We can see that today, there was 15,000 volume traded for the 1.5 strike, 1,700 for the 2 strike. So, but be very careful because you can see 31,000 open interest. People were holding onto the 2 strike calls, but they all expired worthless and they all became zero because the stock did not reach 2 or higher. So what you want to do is, if you're planning to buy options, I would go further out in time. That way the stock can move in your favor. Let's go see May, or let's go ahead and take a look at April. You can still see people are still buying 1.5 strike, which is only $34. But again, we don't know if BBBY is going to go up or it's going to consolidate for a few more days, a few more weeks, a few more months. So maybe you can consider the June expiration dates. People are still buying these. You can see the 1.5, 1,200 volume traded today and 4,200 open interest. And we go down here, we have the 10 strike, 115 volume. But I always try to stay as close to the money or in the money at the money. See 1.5 strikes. So people are buying these 1.5 strike calls, $52. August, same thing. Let's go ahead in January 2024. People are still buying these. 400 volume traded for the 1.5. At least this gives you plenty of time for the stock to move in your favor. And let's see, the 2 strike, people are buying for $98. And that definitely gives you a lot of time. I just feel like there's more reward to the upside than to the downside. And hopefully we'll be able to see at least a small rally and keep this momentum going. Let me know in the comments if you're still buying BBBY.